The human body has hundreds of joints. When even one of them is not up to par, significant inconvenience and/or pain can result. Joint problems can be caused by arthritis, injury, inflammation, disease, infection, or degeneration. Thankfully, natural remedies like apple cider vinegar, castor oil, and herbs can relieve pain, restore function, heal diseases, and facilitate regeneration. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, taken as an internal tonic, reduces pain and inflammation due to its alkalizing effect on the body. It contains nutrients that support body functions as well. For arthritis and joint pain, 2 to 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar can be added to a glass of water and consumed daily. Apple cider vinegar can be applied topically for acute joint discomfort. Soak a cloth in apple cider vinegar and apply to the joint of concern. Wrap plastic around the cloth and secure with an ACE bandage. The apple cider vinegar bandage can be worn overnight. This method is especially useful for pain caused by strains and gout. Castor oil. Castor oil is not taken internally but massaged into painful joints. It relieves inflammation and pain, sometimes as well as oral pain relievers. Castor oil can be messy, so use old clothes and towels to avoid getting castor oil on clothing and furniture. Turmeric. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory. Turmeric is often taken on an ongoing basis for those suffering from a variety of pains. 2 to 4 capsules are taken twice a day. Alternately, a teaspoon of turmeric can be added to a mug full of warm milk. A sprinkle of black pepper helps to potentiate the turmeric. Borax. Borax contains boron, which is a necessary element in the joints. Boron also helps the body to balance other minerals and hormones. Studies have found that boron is needed for strong bones. Dietary changes. Sugar and processed foods aggravate inflammation and pain. They also fill the body up so more quality foods are not consumed at levels needed to provide necessary nutrients to the body. Bone broth contains concentrated amounts of gelatin and the necessary minerals for joint health. Look for organic bone broths or make your own. Hydrotherapy. Hydrotherapy involves alternating warm and cool applications to painful joints. The cool applications help to reduce inflammation. The warm applications promote circulation and repair. Use 2 bowls of water, 1 warm and 1 cool. Not hot and ice cold, soak a cloth in the cool water and apply it to the painful joint for 1 minute. Remove the cool cloth and replace it with the warm cloth. Continue alternative warm and cool for 7 changes, beginning and ending with cool. Hydrotherapy can be repeated several times a day. The exception would be that a freshly injured joint should not have warm applications. Instead, use cold applications 15 minutes out of every hour or 2. Epsom salt. Epsom salt soaks provide magnesium and sulfur to the joints. Add ½ cup Epsom salt to a basin of water and soak the painful joint. For fresh injuries, use cool water, otherwise use warm water.